Now I'm going to discuss how you can set up your execution environment for Dart on Windows platform. So you can execute your Dart script online with Dartpad. This is our Dartpad where you can execute your Dart scripts. This Dart editor executes the scripts and displays both HTML as well as console output. And this online editor is equipped with a set of preset code sample where you can see here. This is a screenshot of Dartpad editor. It is given below. Dartpad also enables to code in a more restrictive fashion. This can be achieved by checking the strong mode option on the bottom right of the editor. This thing. Then this strong mode helps with a stronger static and dynamic checking with idiomatic JavaScript code generation for better interoperability. Let me show you a simple example using Dartpad. Yes, you can set up the local environment of Dart programming language in your Windows. For this, you can either use your text editor like Notepad, Notepad++, Vim or VI, etc. Then you have to save your this text with extension .dart. Okay, and you must install Dart SDK. This is the links where you can install your Dart SDK. After installing your SDKs, then open your command prompt and just write Dart and hit the enter button. If the Dart is installed successfully, it will show the Dart runtime. But if it is not installed successfully, it will raise any type of error. There are many IDE support for Dart programming language like Eclipse, IntelliJ, WebStorm, etc. So here in this our learning series, I'm going to use that Dart editor for compiling our Dart scripts.